1/8 inch down with a 3/8 inch border. And this is exactly what you guys should have. So you guys still, go ahead and hit start working or whatever it says. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you look up here at the top. There's a tab that says CAM. I need you to click on that. That stands for Computer Aided Manufacturing, which is basically what we're using. We're using what we call a CAM package in order to do this. So you should have that tab open, and when that tab opens, you should have ribbons that look like this up here. So a bunch of different things that we have available. Okay? And if you have not got there, please just raise your hand so that I know. So go ahead and click that CAM tab, and when you click that CAM tab, I want you to hit the setup right here. So click on that. And it's going to change this whole section right here. If you ever have to make a change, you can take this drop-down menu and go from CAM to Model. Model will go back and allow you to change what you're drawing. CAM will allow you to go back and change how you're editing and go to cut it out. So you can always switch back and forth between the two of them. Okay? Milling is the appropriate one, so make sure it says that. I don't know what yours is going to say. And then the one thing that we got to do is we got to move this over to here. Okay. What's your guys? Does yours look different than mine? Rotate it a little bit higher. Yeah, it does. Okay. All right. So first thing we're going to do is I want you to click on this one that says Stop. Okay, and you're going to go down to hold on. From solid. And that basically makes it the same as your model. Because you're getting this piece of plexiglass that's the exact same size as your model. So that's okay. Sometimes you get things that are a lot bigger, and then that's where you want to make sure you change that, but we're not going to worry about it. Okay, setup. We're going to go back to setup. These little blue arrows, red, blue, and green arrows mean something. It means the way that the mill goes. We need to have these rotated. So we're going to go over here to Model Orientation. You're going to drop that down, and you're going to select the second one that says Select X-axis / plane, or I'm sorry, select Z-axis / plane and X-axis. So it's the actual second drop-down menu. Okay, your Z-axis is a small little line right here on this left-hand side that goes up and down. I want you to click on that. Your X-axis, so change the menu here to where it says X-axis, is the long edge up here up on top that you see. Click on that. And you should have a button that has the red X-axis pointing to the right, the Y-axis pointing this way, and the Z-axis pointing up on that model. If you don't have that, you can use these two buttons right here that say flip to flip things around and try to get it. Has anyone not been able to get it to turn that right direction? Because if you don't get this right, then it's not going to cut out correctly. This is critical. Okay? Then the last thing we're going to do is your stop point. I want you to click on this top left-hand corner. Oops, I want you to go to select point,